Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to edit a task on the structured application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should select a date from your calendar and tap on a task that you want to edit. Click on edit task, and here, as you can see, you can edit its name. So just simply delete it and type in the new title of your task. Then select when would you like this to be due, select its duration, change the color of the task, how often, such as every day or once, weekly, monthly. Select alerts. If you don't want any alert, just tap on this X button, and you can also add subtasks or change the subtasks that have been added to it. Then press update task in the middle of the screen. As you can see, since this is a repeating task, you can update this particular task only, update all future tasks, or update all of the tasks. So here, as you can see in your schedule, this task has been updated. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.